Hello everyone and welcome to the latest update on PTE Academic. Today we have some exciting news that this will impact two key sections of the exam, Describe, Image and Retell Lecture. These changes are set to take effect from November 4th, 2024. So let's dive right in. Currently, the Describe, Image and Retell Lecture sections are scored by automated systems. This means that your responses are evaluated by advanced algorithms designed to assess your language skills accurately. While this method has its own advantages, such as fluency and speed, it has its own limitations as well, especially when it comes to understanding the context of human speech. Starting November 4th, 2024, these sections will be scored by human evaluators. This change aims to provide a more accurate and proper assessment of your language abilities. Human evaluators can better understand the context, tone, and pronunciation of your responses, which can lead to a fairer evaluation. Let's compare the current and new scoring patterns. Under the current system, your responses are evaluated based on predefined criteria and algorithms. This can sometimes miss the finer points of your language use. With human evaluators, your responses will be assessed with a deeper understanding of the context, allowing for a more comprehensive evaluation. So, how can you prepare for this change? First, focus on clarity and context in your responses. Make sure your ideas are well organized and easy to follow. Second, practice speaking naturally and confidently. Human evaluators can better appreciate a natural flow of speech. Lastly, pay attention to pronunciation and intonation, as these can significantly impact your scores. In summary, the new scoring pattern for Describe, Image and Retell Lecture will bring a more human touch to the evaluation process, providing a fairer and more accurate assessment of your language skills. Make sure to practice and prepare accordingly to make the most of this change.